www.rubyandsons.com. This is a little slide for Ruby cleaners. Then it's Ruby Saturday School. And then this is the professional estate management Ruby lettings. And this is optional fashion show that we hosted and you missed. Here is something, and then we give links. If you can see, read more. Here we go to property management, and you can see it's not finished yet. There's needing more to add. And then we go to cleaning services. That is Ruby Cleaners for a very long time. And you can download the leaflet, and if you want to work with us, you can also download the application form. And then we can go to fashion and clothes, as we said, optional. East meets West was our first one. It was held in Trinity Church. It went quite well. There was a buffet as well, and then we hosted another one on the 20th of December. It went quite as well. We might be hosting another one, so if you would like to download the optional Autumn/Winter 2009 catalogue, please be welcome to do so. Then we go to the Saturday School that we did again. As you can see, there's ABC. There's the opening times, what we offer, and you can also download the Ruby Saturday School leaflet, Ruby school registration form for children, school parent consent and medical form, school's risk assessment, and school's letter, also school's complaint procedure. First week goes free. Then at the end there's a contact us. There's Ruby, and that's a sister. You can just fill in this if you want to put a little inquiry. Put your first name, last name, email address, telephone, mobile or home phone, your inquiry, and then just press submit. And then here's the numbers and the address for all. Property management is 01895625630 and then the Ruby Cleaners one, you've got the email address of info@rubycleaners.co.uk or try.com as well. And then you've got optional, and then you've got optional numbers. The mobile one is 07956132143, and then the telephone is 01895631799. The working times are Monday to Friday, 10 AM to 4 PM for optional. And Ruby Saturday School is closed for the minute because it's going a bit busy. It's opening soon. You just email ruby_actar, AKHTAR, @hotmail.co.uk. The numbers are exactly the same. And please spare some time. And also for Ruby Cleaners, the two different numbers, just contact 07504694924 07961 002. Start again. Sorry about that. 07504694924, and then a different number is 07961 002 007. And then the telephone number is 01895 631 799. And the property management is just the same as the others, but it's been running for a very long time. This is professional. And then the website again is www.rubyandsons.com. And then just spare some time as well. Thank you.